The world is full of beautiful sounds. We are here to help you catch every one.
From a quiet whisper to a grand symphony, every sound has a story to tell.
Protecting your ears today ensures a lifetime of vibrant memories tomorrow.
Your hearing is a bridge to the soul. Let us help you keep it strong.
Communication is a human right, and clear hearing is the key that unlocks it.
Sound is the heartbeat of life. Cherish it, protect it, and never let it fade. Hearing connects us to the people we love and the moments that matter most.
We don't just treat ears, we restore the music of everyday life.
At Hearzap, we are here for you. Your hearing is our responsibility.